Chapter 2 Soil. The topmost layer of the earth crust is called soil. Functions of the soil. Number 1. It provides a foundation for a large number of plants. Number 2. It serves as a storehouse of water and minerals needed for their growth. Number 3. It provides shelter to a large number of animals that live in or on it. Composition of soil. Soil is formed by weathering of rocks. Therefore, composition is different for different types of soils. Various components of the soil are: number 1. Mineral particles. These are gravel, sand and clay. These particles determine the texture and type of the soil. Number 2. Inorganic substances. Soil contains inorganic salts like sulfates, nitrates, phosphates, carbonates of potassium, magnesium, sodium and iron, and many other minerals also. Number 3. Organic substances. Humus. These are added to the soil by the decomposition of plants and animals. The completely decomposed product is called humus. It makes the soil fertile, enhances the growth of microbes and water holding capacity of the soil. Number 4. Living organisms. A large number of microscopic organisms, insects, ants, centipedes, millipedes, earthworms, etc. live in the soil. Number 5. Water. All types of soil contain water in the spaces present in between the soil particles. Different types of soils. Number 4. Living organisms. A large number of microscopic organisms, insects, ants, centipedes, millipedes, earthworms, etc. live in the soil. Number 5. Water. All types of soil contain water in the spaces present in between the soil particles. Different types of soil have different water holding capacity depending upon its texture. Number 6. Air. It is also present in between the particles of the soil and is needed for the respiration of plants and other organisms present in the soil. Soil structure. Number 1. Topsoil. It is the darkest in color and contains lot of humus, which makes the soil fertile. It is porous, soft and has more water holding capacity. Number 2. Subsoil. It is comparatively more hard and compact. It is lighter in color. It contains very little organic matter and is not suitable for growth. Number 3. The third layer of soil is made of rocks and stones and contains no organic matter. Only minerals are found in this layer. Texture of soil. The different types of soil particles determine its texture. Gravel particles having diameter from 2.0 mm to 5.0 mm. Sand particles having diameter from 0.2 mm to 2.0 mm. Clay particles having diameter from less than 0.2 mm. According to the type of particles a soil contains, it is named as follows. Number 1. Sandy soil. Number A. It contains more than 60% of sand and rest clay. B. It contains its water holding capacity is very less. C. It contains lot of air. D. It cannot retain much water and humus in it, and hence is not suitable for growth of plants. Number 2. Clay soil. A. It contains more of clay and less sand. Number B. It is very sticky. C. It has very good water holding capacity. D. It is rich in minerals and hence good for the growth of plants. 3. Loamy soil. A. It has the right proportion of sand, clay and humus, which suits best for the growth of plants. B. It has good water holding capacity. C. It has sufficient amount of air in it. D. It has plenty of minerals in it. Types of soil. A. Red soil. Number 1. Its color is red due to presence of iron oxide. Number 2. It is poor in humus, but can be made fertile by adding manures and fertilizers. B. Black soil. Number 1, it is porous and rich in minerals and humus. Number 2, it is ideal for growing cotton and sugarcane. C. Alluvial soil. Number 1, it is formed by the deposition of silt brought by rivers. Number 2, it is loamy and contains plenty of humus. Number 3, it is best for the growth of wheat, rice and sugarcane. D. Desert soil. Number 1, it is sandy and porous. Number 2, it contains plenty of soluble salts. Number 3, when watered it becomes very fertile. E. Mountain soil. It is very fertile and has highest humus content. It is found in mountain regions.